Jerry.
Against the cruelties of the world.
He's too fat.
Oh, he's attacking her. Help her.
I'm Power Play Bobby, that's Scrunch Money, hardest white dog in the game.
Jerry.
I'm sorry. Barley.
Get up.
She ended.
Yeah,
She had to remind
you got it, buddy.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
It turns out fat girl got stuck in a hole.
You are the fattest dog I've ever seen.
Hold him.